Hey guys, welcome back to another Swift programming logic tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get pi in Swift. Pi demo. So pi is just the number 3.141592. It goes on forever, but that was the basic explanation. So for most tasks, you don't actually need to use the pi function. Like you can just create a constant yourself, and you just make it 3.14159265535. I think it's 7 after this, but since that rounds up, we'll just leave it like that. That's all I can remember for now. But yeah, for most things, you really don't need to use the pi statement or function. You can just create a constant like this, like even 3.142. Usually that works fine as well. But if you really need to get precise, then there's a few ways of getting pi. So what we can do is, if we create double pi, this is just going to be double.pi, and all of these point to the same number. So we can get with a float function as well. Finally, we can use cg double pi, which is just cg double. Oh, I guess where's cg double going? Like that. All of these basically point to the same number, but yeah. So if we print all three of these, double pi, float pi, and cg double pi. I don't know if it's cg, it's just c, but usually they tie into cg, so I guess I'll just leave it as c since that's what it is. But if we run these should all basically tell us the same number, and I think it's only going to give us the first 8 or something digits, since the console isn't going to print it forever. But if you really need it precise, I guess you can use these. You can see the float pi is a lot less, is not as precise as the other two, and the c double and double pi are basically the same thing, which is why they give you this 3.14159265535. And then you can see, oh yeah, it was 8 sevens, but yeah, it still runs up. So yeah, that's why 6535. That's why, if you need it to be precise, I'm pretty sure this does go further. It's just not printing it all, or this might be end. But if you really need it more precise than this, you'll probably have to install CocoaPods and use a CocoaPod library, since there's really niche use cases. Like maybe you really need to find the area of a circle, like to really precise measurements, you could use this, but at that point I don't know why you need it in the app. So anyway, this is how you get pi in Swift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the future tutorial. Bye!